Welcome to Botanica, Osa Peninsula, Curio Collection by Hilton. With the Corcovado National Park in your backyard and the Golfe Dulce in your front yard, this new resort community is ideally located in the heart of Costa Rica's most pristine rainforest. Rainforest Residences at Botanica features unique layouts ranging from studios to 1, 2, and 3 bedroom imaginative floor plans. And regardless of the size or type residence you purchase at Botanica, the quality of the cabinetry, fixtures, and the finishes remain the same. For those who choose to participate in the optional professionally managed rental program, the Hilton-approved turnkey furniture package ensures that all the comforts of home are right here waiting for you. But whether you do or don't participate in the rental program, all of the services and amenities that the resort has to offer will always be available to you. In the 1, 2, and 3 bedroom residences, the living room and dining area are generous in size and are appointed with custom-made pieces using only the best material and craftsmanship. The terraces are extra large, as we appreciate the fact that in Costa Rica, dining, drinking, and resting are sometimes tasks that are best accomplished outdoors. Modern appliances in the kitchen include top-of-the-line ranges, refrigerators, dishwashers, and microwave ovens. And all bathrooms are generous in size, with modern fixtures and a private toilet area. But what else would you expect? This is a Curio Collection by Hilton suite. Living room and bedrooms are the perfect place to watch your 55-inch smart TV. And in the master bedroom, you do so from your famous king-size Hilton bed. A good night's sleep is almost a guarantee. Hi, this is David, and today I'd like to explain to you the benefits of a creative floor plan called a lock-off residence. I'm often asked to explain exactly what that is and why it's considered to be the smartest way to own a 2 or a 3 bedroom home at Botanica. Let's begin with the 2-bedroom lock-off plan. This is simply a fully equipped 1-bedroom home that has an adjacent studio and a foyer with an adjoining door. Once you enter your private foyer, a door gives you access to either the 1-bedroom suite or to the adjacent studio residence. As you can imagine, this kind of flexibility is invaluable to the hotel operator, as well as to you, the owner of the residence. You see, when you choose to participate in the optional professionally managed rental program, the hotel operator can rent out your suite in 3 different ways. It's almost as though you own 3 separate residences. You own a studio with a standalone kitchenette. It would sleep 4 comfortably, as there are 2 queen beds in that suite. And you would own a 1-bedroom residence as well. It has a king-size bed in the bedroom and a queen-size sofa bed in the living room. Of course, when staying in the larger 1-bedroom suite, you or the hotel guests, in the event that you're participating in the optional professionally managed rental program, benefit from a full kitchen, dining, and living areas, as well as the large terrace. And finally, when both units are incorporated as one, you now have a large 2-bedroom condominium hotel residence that can sleep 8 comfortably. Owners who choose to live in their residence full-time will appreciate the separate entrance and privacy provided by this layout when sharing the 2nd bedroom with a guest or family. Likewise, the 3-bedroom lock-off is just a 2-bedroom residence adjacent to a studio, once again with a private foyer that connects both units together. These large homes can be rented out as a standalone studio, a 2-bedroom fully equipped suite, or a large 3-bedroom home that sleeps up to 10 people comfortably. But remember that the best part of all is that you, as the owner, have the flexibility to stay in the studio and continue renting the larger part of your residence, or you can use all rooms when you need to sleep 8 to 10 guests in your vacation home. But regardless of how you use your vacation home, you'll always benefit from the same great service that the Hilton brand hotels are famous for worldwide. When it comes to purchasing a vacation home anywhere in the world, there are always 2 equal forces at play. I call those forces magic and logic. After all, it is always the magic of any exotic destination that drives one to even consider real estate purchase. but it is always the logic behind the offer itself that acts as the catalyst to buy. The magic of Costa Rica, and in particular the Osa Peninsula, is clearly abundant, as is the logic behind partnering with an established luxury name whose high standards remain the same wherever they are in the world. Botanica is the first professionally managed residential resort and marina development in Costa Rica, as well as the first Hilton leisure destination in the entire country. And the charm of the country and the raw beauty of the region and the logic behind partnering with the most respected and iconic hotelier on earth are just some of the many reasons that we are confident that Botanica will rank amongst the most sought-after vacation destinations in the world. Ideally, where the rainforest meets the ocean, Botanica is a special place, and I invite you to reach out to me to learn more about this amazing offering of condominium hotel residences masterfully nestled in the heart of Costa Rica's pristine Osa Peninsula, where slowing down to the speed of life is so very easy to do. There is just so much more that I could share with you about both the magic and the logic of owning a luxury branded rainforest residence at Botanica, as well as the attention to detail that's gone into creating what I believe is one of the most beautiful condominium hotel residences anywhere. But today we do have a model suite that you can come and see for yourself, the level of finishes and the craftsmanship that's gone into our model homes. My name is David Belenko, and I want to thank you for watching and listening. But most of all, I want to thank you for your interest.